Select the new file, make a new file size 1920 into 1080 and resolution 300. Now create. Now drag here image and adjust the size. Now go to Layer menu, select the solid color. Choose the white color. Now go to Adjustment Layer, make a new layer blank. Now select the Brush tool and foreground color black. Now go to Brush tool properties. Who is the brush size minimum 900 pixel and hardness 64%. Now go to Layer menu and select the color film layer and reduce opacity 60%. Now click your Brush tool. Now Ctrl+T transform brush size according to image. Now Shift hold and select two layers and right click convert to smart object. Now go to filter menu, select the pixelate, select and select color halftone tone select. Now settings this here. This is final result. Now more contact for subscribe my channel.